Hello mga ka-realistic buddies. So for today's video, atong tubagon ang frequently asked questions at this time atong tubagon ang pangutanang what is reservation fee and is it refundable? So ang reservation fee mga ka-realistic buddy in real estate is a payment made by a prospective buyer to a developer or a seller to hold a specific property such as a house or a condo unit for a certain period. This fee essentially reserves the property, giving the buyer exclusive rights to purchase it within an agreement time frame,
Wow.
usually before a formal contract or down payment is made. So usually ang reservation fee is valid na siya for 1 month. So here are the key points about the reservation fee. So unsa may purpose nga nung naa may reservation fee? So the reservation fee secures the buyer's interest in the property, ensuring that it won't be sold to another party while the buyer finalizes their decision or prepares the necessary documents. So aron ang property dili na siya makuha sa lain. So mo nang kinahanglan og reservation. And usually, ang reservation fee is deductible sa total amount or total price sa unit. So, the down payment once the buyer proceed with the purchase. So, deductible siya sa total contract price. Then, ang question is, refundable ba ang reservation fee? So, in some other situations, it might be refundable. So, in some scenarios, if the buyer decides not to proceed with the purchase within the reservation period, the fee may be refundable. However, this depends on the terms set by the developer or the seller. A clear reason such as a failure to secure financing might be required for a refund. So, depende yun na siya sa developer or sa seller kung refundable ba siya. Then, usually good, reservation is non-refundable. If the buyer changes their mind or fails to meet the purchase requirements within the agreed period, this policy protects the seller or the developer from losses incurred due to the property being held for the buyer. Kay sa reservation man good, ni gasto naman good ang seller or ang developer. So that's one of the reason nga hindi na siya refundable. So before paying reservation fee, it's crucial to carefully review the terms and conditions provided by the seller or developer, understanding whether the fee is refundable and under what circumstances can help you make an informed decision and avoid potential financial loss. So before ka mo decide nga magpa-reserve sa unit, dapat imuha sa iyong klaruhon o i-check kung sure na bagyog ka nga mukuha ka na property para dili ka magka-financial loss. Usually, reservation fee is non-refundable and non-transferable. So I hope it helps. Don't forget to follow and share. Thank you.